On this installation we have about 466 square feet of Adura Rigid in this kitchen area. We're going to skim this ceramic tile to fill in all the grout lines and smooth it out, and continuously through onto this parquet wood floor. So it's going to be completely running all the same way. And it will all be continuous with all matching moldings. So we will be continuing shortly. So here we have the finished project. 466 square feet of Adura Rigid in a 1 foot by 2 foot profile in this legacy pattern in the gray white, beautiful marble look, as you can see, throughout the TV room. Ran it down the kitchen, finished everything with appropriate moldings. In this kitchen area there was ceramic tile which we skimmed over to smooth it out and made a complete even transition right through into the TV room. So you can see how beautiful everything looks, and everything works well. And we have our customer. And how do you think everything went?
Well, I'm Joseph Zorka. I'm the owner of the home at 27 Pereira Ave. And one thing I can tell you is Fashion Floors, I would highly recommend. Very professional. Gary and his service and the people that did the installation were all great. Highly appreciate their service and the quality of work that was performed.
No, I appreciate it, Joe. Thank you, and enjoy it.
You're welcome.
So, if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other categories of flooring. And while you're there, especially on YouTube, if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And thank you for watching.